Today, we are going to Sovereign Hill for Winter Wonderlights. It produces a unique Christmas in July. Yes, it is my first Christmas in July. I don't know why we're doing this. I wanted to eat, so 1 hour later, still driving. Here is Sovereign Hill in Melbourne. It is a living museum presenting the story of Ballarat as the gold rush boomtown. Gold was discovered here in 1851, triggering the gold rush the world has ever known. I was very bored when the early pans were full. Me and Millie are dipping our candles. We have a selection of 3 colors. We can mix them to create other colors too. First, we dip them in the paint, and then we cover it with wax. You should try it too. I love candles. Yeah. You can find many activities here, like gold mine tour. We are taking photos with Santa. Santa. We are watching the shows. They are pretty good. We are enjoying the playground. It's snowing. Well, sort of. It's just clumps of bubbles. It's time to go outside and join in the fun. First, let's go. Fireworks! It's not actually snowing, it's actually just bubbles. But still, that's amazing! It's so cold. It's study time. Gold rush, 淘金熱. A gold rush is when many people gather at specific spots to mine for gold. Clumps of bubbles, 一團團的泡泡. It means large groups of bubbles sticking together. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.